let me just take these really cool laser goggles off. Yay! Welcome! Welcome to Make Remake. As you've just seen, we've built an ATOMSTACK A5 30-watt laser engraver, and we've done the first laser engraving on a piece of leather with it. It's a really good laser engraver. I love it. Probably about 15, max 20 minutes to build, but you do need to employ the use of a proper square to make sure that the frame is square. To be honest, installing the software, which is called Laser Gerbil, I think, Laser Gerbil, Laser Gerbil, that one. Load an image in this case my Make Remake logo, and hit go, and it just does it. It's really easy. First impressions, because this is not really a review, first impressions is, well, it's good, and I'll do a follow-up video, so there you go. That's the ATOMSTACK A5, and this is the 30-watt version, which is not 30 watts. It's probably 6 or 7 watts. I mean, a true 30-watt laser would literally burn a hole through my desk, and this one doesn't, so it's not 30 watts. But yeah, it's been a pleasant little build, and hope you enjoyed it, and I shall see you soon with another video. Bye.